Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive into the latest and greatest gadgets to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're talking about what might just be the best Z Fold 4 pen out there, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 Stylus Pen. If you're looking for a replacement for your Galaxy Z Fold 4's S Pen, or just a high-quality, precision tool for your device, this pen could be the perfect fit. This stylus is designed specifically for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 5G, and it delivers a sleek and efficient writing experience. With a slim 1.5mm pen tip and 4096 pressure levels, it feels incredibly natural to write and sketch, almost like you're using pen on paper. Whether you're jotting down quick notes during meetings, drawing sketches, or navigating your device with precision, this pen offers an accurate and smooth experience that enhances your overall usage. The pen doesn't come with Bluetooth functionality, but it doesn't need it. The simplicity of the pen allows you to focus on getting things done without unnecessary distractions. Plus, it's compatible with the Galaxy Z Fold 3 as well, making it a versatile option for users with older models. What's great about this product is that it includes more than just the pen. You'll get 2 replacement tips, so you're ready for long-term use, plus a tweezer to easily swap out the nibs. And don't worry about wear, the replacement tips ensure your pen can last for months, if not longer. When it comes to durability, this stylus is built to last. The replacement nibs provide peace of mind knowing that you can keep the pen in great condition with minimal effort. It's a reliable accessory that helps you get more done on your Z Fold 4 without any interruptions or issues. The sleek black design of the pen looks great, and it feels comfortable in hand. If you're on the go, it's easy to carry and use for everything from productivity tasks to creative endeavors. It's a solid addition to your Galaxy Z Fold 4, elevating your user experience to a whole new level. For those of you who value quality and efficiency, this is a solid investment for your device. It's simple, functional, and designed to get the most out of your Galaxy Z Fold 4 experience. So, if you're looking for the best Z Fold 4 pen, look no further. That wraps up our review of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 Stylus Pen. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews and critiques of the latest tech products. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next one.